Hey y'all, so welcome back to the channel. I am excited for this video. As you can see in the title, it's going to be my Ipsy March unboxing for you guys. So I do already have my makeup on, which I always do testing it out in this video, which we are going to be doing. It's just going to be a little different. Thought I'd change it up a little bit, try something else. So I have already tried out the products, but I filmed it as I went, so we will just be talking about the products as I go, and you guys will get to see me putting them on, and I will let you know my thoughts about them. So before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, hit the bell, and select the all feature. Make sure you do that when you hit that bell. Go ahead and move on up and select the all feature. That way you'll get all my notifications. That would be great. And yeah, so without further ado, let's jump into the video, guys. Here's my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Yes, I do already know what is in the box, but here's what my box looks like. And this was their birthday month for Ipsy, the month of March is. So they, here's the little card. It says Celebrate You March 2020. And inside has all the products listed. So we did end up getting 6 products this month instead of 5. They gave us an extra product because it's their birthday month. So that is pretty exciting. So the first item I was sent from Ipsy is this Pure Herbal Extract Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon. It's just this little mini lotion. Here's what the product looks like. It is enriched with 100% pure hemp seed oil. I don't know if I will be using this or not. For one, I'm not a fan of the smell of pineapple at all. I don't like pineapple. The taste of it, the smell of it, not a fan of it. And so that is one of the reasons I will probably not be using this. So this will probably just go in a giveaway for one of you guys. The next product I was sent was this Girl Power. It's the Balm Cosmetics Auto Balm Girl Power Blush Palette. It retails for $26.50. I went in today with the shades Houston and Bourbon, and they are both really pretty. Love them both. The packaging of this is just so cute. The only little problem I don't like about the packaging is that you have a really hard time opening it because the way this is designed, you can't really get in here very good. And I ended up like nicking the highlighter. So I went in with those 2 blushes, and then I went in with the highlighter over top, and I really think it turned out really cute. So I can already say I'm going to be loving this palette a lot. The other couple things I got in my box, I received the Hey Honey concealer, but I added on the Yensa BC foundation. It's a BB and a CC basically foundation, and it has an SPF of 40, and I can already say I really like these products. The foundation has a really good coverage, even though it's a BB and a CC cream. It's like combined or something. And the coverage on this was really nice. I went in with 1 layer. It was a good light to medium coverage. So then I went in with a 2nd layer, and the 2nd layer really made it a good full medium coverage, which is really nice. I feel like the color for this was a good match. It's just it's just in the shade light neutral. And then I went in with the Hey Honey, it's called Trick and Treat Concealer. And I feel like it's in the shade light to medium as well. I feel like it's a little bit too warm for concealer for me. So if I do end up buying this, the actual full size, I will probably get a shade lighter. And so real quick, the Hey Honey concealer retails for $36 regular, like full size. I'm not sure how much the foundation retails for because this was an add-on product that I added on myself. Overall, really love both of these. I feel like the coverage is good. They went on like a dream. They blended wonderfully. I feel like I had really good coverage with them, and I am going to enjoy continuing to try this out. Next, I went in with the Billion Dollar Brows Butter Pomade Kit in Taupe. Now, as you can see, I did already line my brows with my NYX brow pencil. I go ahead and carve them out with that, and then I do use a pomade on a daily basis. So I did then go in with the pomade, and the pomade retails for $24. I got it in the shade Taupe. I think it's really neat that it comes with the pomade and a little brush. So that was really nice. So I did go ahead and apply this today, and I usually always use the shade Taupe just because it kind of works out for my hair color. And I thought it was really good. I have been using the Tarte Big Ego pomade currently. I feel like the Tarte Big Ego pomade, with a little bit of product, it kind of goes a long ways. With this Big Ego pomade, I feel like I did have to kind of keep going back in and keep applying and go back in and apply a little more. Overall, I do really feel like it like filled in my brows really good, like I do on a normal day-to-day basis. And I thought it turned out really good, and my brows look like they always do, so I'm gonna enjoy using that. And the next thing I was sent was this Malin and Goats Revitalizing Eye. It's basically an eye cream. Retails for $42. I don't really use eye creams. I just use a good moisturizer at night, and you know, my night routine is pretty simple. I just use a toner, then I use my Marie Badescu spray, and then I just apply a good moisturizer. So I don't know if I'll be keeping this or throwing this in a giveaway for you guys. Not sure on that one. The next thing I was sent was this Lunar Beauty water resistant eyeliner. I did fill in my lashes I put on. I filled this in over them, and it did a pretty good job. I do have to say, I feel like this isn't as black as some of my black eyeliners, so this is okay. I will try to use it up, but I can't say I would ever purchase this again. Okay, moving on to a couple things I added on myself in the box. First, I added on this sheet mask. It's a NMF Intense Hydrating Sheet Mask. It says it's hydrating, tightening, and refining. So this is one of the add-ons I added on. Next, as you can see in the clip here I'm about to play, is I added on the Auto Balm Pick Perf Shadows on the Go. And this palette really surprised me, guys. Like, the shadows blended really good. I went in with the shade St. Charles first, blended that all into my crease with a fluffy blending brush, just blended that all in there. The shade was really pigmented. I think it's a really good shade. Then I went in with the shade right next to it. It's called Pennsylvania. It's like a really dark green shade, and I worked that into the crease just to deepen it up a little bit, and then I winged it out on my outer corners to create a kind of smoky green eye. And then I worked that same Pennsylvania shade into my lower lash line. It worked out really good. And then I went into the shade Rodeo, which is just a nice white shimmer shade. Put that all over the lid. And I think the look was simple. It's kind of smoky. It turned out really good. Here's kind of a close-up of how the eye look turned out. I think it turned out really good. I am really excited to have this little eyeshadow palette in my collection. And then the last things I added on was this little lip set. It's by Thrive Cosmetics. I don't own anything by Thrive Cosmetics. They're supposed to be like a completely like vegan brand. And they're two lip glosses. And the shades of these glosses are both really pretty. So here's what they look like. It's just a really pretty pink and a really pretty like white shimmery gloss. I got these as a duo set, so it was kind of more of a like bang for your buck. And last up, I'll show you the bag for the month. I'm really actually excited about this bag. It says Unstoppable on the back, has a neon inside, and then it just has a little snappy thing. You snap it instead of most of the time they're like little zippers across the top. And and then it just has like a nice like beige front. So if you wanted to like carry this as like a little clutch, you could carry it. Or I'm actually excited to actually put this in my purse and use it because it's completely different than the other bags they've sent us before. So I'm excited about this bag. So that is going to be it on my Ipsy unboxing and review for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you liked the way I did this, kind of talked about the products and already had tried them out and letting you know how I enjoyed them, or if you want me to go back to the way I used to do it, opening the box and then applying all the products at the end, let me know. Otherwise, y'all, I hope you have a wonderful day and thanks for watching, and don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys.
So check out my Instagram pages at Colorful Gadget or my new brand at Spunky Scrunchies. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you haven't seen my most recent or another favorite of mine, click the one on the top right or the bottom right.